Hello and welcome to VMware Cloud Director's demo video of deploying a container-based application using App Launchpad. Here I have logged in as provider admin and installed the extension App Launchpad already. I can access it through App Launchpad extension. Here we can see the dashboard where it talks about how many applications are installed, top organizations, and what are the top applications. Now let's see how we can add new application to the catalog. Let's click on add new, select the source of application. Here we can now connect to VMware Marketplace directly, which you can get from VMware Cloud Service Console and generate a new API token and use that token here to make the marketplace connection. Going back to the applications, we add new application, connect to marketplace, and we can see all the available VM based or container based applications that is available on VMware Cloud Marketplace, which is nothing but the Bitnami content, all the Bitnami content which is now available. Here in this example, I am just selecting any application and I can select the older version or the latest one, or decide to auto sync all the updates for that specific template. Next step is to select a catalog or create a new catalog for this application. Similarly, to launch a container based application, we can just select the tab container, select any container based Helm chart. In this example, I am going to add Apache or say Cloud Native GitHub Helm chart. Select what you are interested in, click on next, you can also select existing catalog, select next and add the application. You can add most popular or container based of your choice. You can add it as a featured application. In next sections, you can add a sizing templates for your tenants, where you can provide the VM template size that the tenant can use, and you can finalize the deployment settings like network, storage, etc. for your tenant. As a provider admin, you can also add your own custom Helm chart repository by navigating to Helm chart repository. You can add the authentication or without authentication and then publish this to the tenants. Now let's log into tenant portal as a tenant admin. Here you can see both the extensions, Kubernetes container clusters and App Launchpad. Here I have deployed the demo cluster based on VMware Tanzu already, and you can see it on the vSphere environment. And now we will navigate to App Launchpad. Here we can see the featured application that we published through the provider admin portal. As a tenant admin, you can click on launch application, provide the name and just launch a new application, but for the demo purposes we will show the advanced settings. These values are fetched from the Helm chart YAML file. You can either provide the custom fields in the form, you can change the values in the YAML, and review the changes in the third tab called changes. For the demo purpose, I am just changing the password. Review the changes and click on the launch application button. This will deploy a WordPress Helm chart into the Kubernetes cluster that we just saw in the previous section in the Kubernetes container. And this is how we deploy a container using App Launchpad and Container Service extension in VMware Cloud Director. Thank you for watching.